$500. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC, then this video is for you. Here I will show you the best PC components that money can buy for under $500. Now for the processor, I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. This one costs around $98. This processor comes with 6 cores and 12 threads and also a 4.2 GHz boost clock speed, makes this processor an ideal budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Asus Prime A520M. This one costs around $79, and with that price you are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, a small heatsink over the VRM section, and overall an ultimate budget motherboard. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB. This one costs around $42, and for only $42 you are going to get 2 RAM stick. Each of them are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. And those RAMs comes with those sturdy heatsink which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, and also they comes with lifetime warranty. Then for the SSD, we have chosen the Team Group MP33 512GB SSD. This one costs around $31, and with that price you are going to get an SSD which comes with up to 3000 plus Mbps read-write speed, which is more than enough to boot your PC faster, load your game faster, and overall give you an amazing experience. Then comes the main components of a gaming build, the graphics card. Here we are using a refurbished graphics card, MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Super. This one costs around $178, and with this graphics card you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with high to ultra settings with constant 60 plus FPS. So it's an excellent graphics card for just getting started with 1080p gaming. Then for the power supply, I have chosen the Thermaltake Smart BM2 550 watt power supply. This one costs around $54. Now it's a semi-modular power supply, and also it comes with 5 year plus warranty. Then for the casing, we are using the Deepcool Matrix 50. This one costs around $59, and with that price you are going to get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, a glass in the front, a glass in the side, and overall an amazing budget casing. And all those components will cost you around $542. Thanks for watching.